Now let's make the last part of our punching machine, punch. See, height 18, bottom height 14, but diameter 5, upper diameter 12, and there is a radius 5.9. Front plane sketch. Let me activate line tool. Go back to the point and see the line is going to convert into arc. Now make this center line construction line. First I am going to define height. 18 millimeter, 5.9, 14 millimeter. Select this one and select center line. If you move cursor outside, it will show you diameter, inside radius. Keep outside, diameter 5. Similarly, check upper side, diameter 12. Apply revolve boss base feature. Now see, this profile is open because of construction line. System asks, would you like to close? Say yes. Look, by default, system took this center line as the axis of revolution. Angle also apply 360 because we need to make a circular body. Apply. Here we. Okay, let's make it little polished. Then okay. Now let me save this one last part punch. Now after this we will do assembly.